Hello students, welcome back to maths class. In our previous classes, we learned about the rational numbers. Today our topic is algebra. What is algebra? Do you know? In your previous class, you have already learned the fundamental concepts of algebra. So let's recall. First, the constant and the variables. What are constant? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on, the numbers has fixed value. The numbers which have fixed value are called the constant. And what about variables? Like x, y, z, m, n, k, p. This has no fixed value. So these are called variables. Remember, the combination of two or more constants is also a constant. For example, 3 plus 8. Here 3 is a constant and 8 is also a constant. And if we add 3 and 8, we shall get 11. It is also a constant. If we subtract 8 from 3, we shall get -5, which is also a constant. But the combination of a variable and another variable is also a variable, and the variable and constant, its combination is also variable. For example, x plus y minus z. Here the variables x is added with another variable y and z is subtracted from this, and the answer is also again a variable. Another example, x minus 8, 6x plus 5. Here all are variables. Now the types of algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions are of three types: monomial, binomial and trinomial. Monomial means an algebraic expression with only one term. That means 3xy, 148 or minus 15y. Here all has only one term. So these are called monomial. Now coming to binomial. An algebraic expression of two unlike terms is called a binomial. For example, 35a plus 2b. Here we can see two algebraic expressions. First is 35a and second is 2b. So this is a binomial. Another binomials are 10 minus 4x, xy plus z, etc. Now coming to trinomials. Trinomials mean an algebraic expression containing three unlike terms. For example, 4a plus b minus 6c. Here the three unlike terms are 4a, b and 6c. And what about polynomial? Every binomial, every trinomial, all are polynomial. So except monomial, all are polynomials. Now coming to the coefficients. What are coefficients? Any factor or group of factors of remaining part of the coefficient x. For example, here 6x. Coefficient of x. Coefficient of x means the factor or group of factors remaining. Here in 6x only 6 is remaining without x. So the coefficient of x is 6. In the second example, 6xy square, here the coefficient of x is 6y square. And in the third example, 6x square y square, here except x, the coefficient of x are 6x y square. So these are called coefficients. Now coming to the degree of monomial. The degree of monomial is the exponent of its variable or the sum of exponents of its variables. In the first example, you can see here it is 3x. Here variable is x and the exponent, that means the power of x is 1. So the degree of this monomial is 1. Coming to second example, 4x square. Here the variable is x and the power of x is 2. So the degree of the monomial is 2. Coming to the third example, 3x square y cube. Here the variables are x and y and power of x is 2 and y is 3. So the degree of the monomial is the power of x plus the power of y, that means 2 plus 3 equal 5. Am I clear to you? I hope so. Next, coming to the degree of a polynomial. Degree of a polynomial is the degree of its highest degree term. Here you can see 3x to the power 4 plus 7x square y cube plus 3xy plus 11 equal 5. Here in 3x to the power 4, the variable is x and its power is 4. In the second term, 7x square y cube, here the power of x is 2 and power of y is 3. That means the power of this monomial 7x square y cube is 5. 2 plus 3, 5. And in the third term, 3xy, the degree of x is 1 and the degree of y is 2. That means the degree of the monomial 3xy is 1 plus 1 equal 2. So here the highest power is 5. That means the degree of the whole polynomial is 5, the highest degree of a term. So I hope the concepts of coefficient, degree of a monomial and degree of a polynomial is clear to you. Next, coming to like and unlike terms. Like term means having the terms having the same literal coefficients or alphabetic letter. See the first example, 3x and 11x. Here the alphabetic letter x is in both the terms. So these are called like terms. But 7x and 8, here 7 has a coefficient x but 8 has no coefficient. So these are unlike terms. Coming to example 2, 7x square y and 2x square y. Here the alphabetic letters x square y are in both the terms, so these are like terms, but 7xy and 2xy square are unlike terms. Coming to third example, 5xy and 2xy. Here xy is on both the terms, so these are like terms, but 3x square y and 5xy square are unlike. And number 4, 2xy square and 3xy square. Here xy square is present in both the terms, so these are like terms, but 5xy and 2xz are not. Remember, only like terms can be added or subtracted. For example, 8x plus 5x. Here 8x and 5x are like terms, and if we add them, we shall get the result 13x. 8 plus 5, 13 and x. Second example, 6xy square minus 9xy square. here these are like terms, so the answer is minus 3xy square. The third example, minus 15x plus 13x plus 8. Here the like terms are only minus 15x and plus 13x. So we can only add or subtract the like terms, and the answer is minus 2x plus 8. Coming to the fourth example, 3m plus 12m minus 5m. Here they are all like terms, so the answer is 10m. That's all today. In the next class, we are going to discuss the addition and subtraction.